Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving a super nice Hyster, stock number D20860. It's an 8,000 pound Cushion Tire Forklift. Has a 2-stage mast, is approximately 146-inch lift height. Shane's going to give us a little demonstration. This unit does have side shift. Has some excellent treaded drive tires and smooth steer tires. Smooth running LP gas engine with recent work, new PM service, plus a new professional paint job. Ready for work as well. Again, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. You can check out this forklift or any other forklift online at abetterforklift.com. Thank you very much.